Today, we're stepping into the enchanted world of one of nature's most stunning creations, the peacock. Prepare to be dazzled. 1. Living rainbows. The male peacock's tail, known as a train, is a breathtaking display of iridescent blues, greens, and golds. When fully fanned out, it can span over 6 feet in width, shimmering like a living rainbow. 2. Dance of beauty. During mating season, peacocks perform an elegant dance, shaking their dazzling feathers to create a mesmerizing sound that attracts potential mates. 3. Hidden strength. Beneath the beauty lies strength. Peacocks can fly. Despite their heavy tails, they can launch themselves into the air to escape predators or reach high perches. 4. Majestic display. The eyes on a peacock's feathers are not just for show. They serve to startle predators and impress rivals, showcasing the bird's dominance. Peacocks are truly nature's masterpieces, dazzling anyone who sees them. Stay tuned for more incredible animal wonders by subscribing.